Fix Roblox white screen on launch. Windows PC, end Roblox completely. Press Ctrl-Shift-ESC, end all Roblox Player Beta processes. Try opening Roblox again. Clear Roblox cache, most important. 1. Press Windows R. 2. Type, you can see the code in our conversation history. 3. Delete everything inside the Roblox folder. 4. Restart your PC. 5. Launch Roblox again. This fixes white screen in most cases. Run Roblox as administrator. Right-click Roblox Player Beta.exe. Click Run as administrator. Disable full screen optimizations. 1. Go to, you can see the code in our conversation history. 2. Open the latest version folder. 3. Right-click Roblox Player Beta properties. 4. Compatibility tab. Check Disable full screen optimizations. Check Run this program as administrator. 5. Apply and OK. Update, reinstall graphics driver. Update NVIDIA, AMD, Intel GPU drivers. Outdated drivers commonly cause white screen on launch. Disable overlays and background apps. Disable Discord overlay, Xbox Game Bar, MSI Afterburner, Rivatuner. These can conflict and cause white screen. Turn off antivirus temporarily. Some antivirus software blocks Roblox from temporarily disable test Roblox, re-enable after testing. Reinstall Roblox, last fix. 1. Uninstall Roblox from settings, apps. 2. Delete leftover folder. You can see the code in our conversation history. Restart PC. 4. Download Roblox again from the official site. Extra pro tip. If Roblox opens but stays white, wait 30 to 60 seconds. Press Alt-Enter once. Sometimes the game loads but doesn't render full screen properly.